Hey everyone, welcome to FixSoft. In this video, you'll learn how to install Android Studio on Windows 11. This guide is simple and suitable even if you're installing it for the first time. So, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. Go to Google, type Android Studio, and press Enter. From the search results, click First Website. This is the official website of Android developers. On the website, you'll see the Download Android Studio button. Click on it. Now, accept the terms and conditions, then click Download again. The setup file is around 1 GB, so give it some time to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, right-click on the setup file and select Open to start the installation. The setup window will appear. Click Next. Android Studio also includes the Android Virtual Device, which allows you to test your apps using an emulator. Keep the default options selected and click Next. Next, you'll see the installation location. You can change it if you want, but it's recommended to keep the default location. Click Next again. Now, click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation to complete. This may take a few minutes. Once it's done, click Next, and then click Finish. Android Studio should launch automatically. The welcome screen will appear. Click Next. Here, choose installation type as standard and click Next. On Next screen, it will show a list of components need to download. Click Next. Accept the terms and click Next again. Now, it will start downloading the required components. Wait until it finishes. Once everything is done, click Finish. And that's it. You've successfully installed Android Studio on Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.